Today I'm going to go do 12202 sprint 23, but rather than use the British flag theorem, I'm going to go use some other strategy.
I got this 3, 4, 5 right triangle, and a point P somewhere in or on that right triangle, and I need to find the minimum possible value of this value right there. There's so many point P's that I could think about that's in or on that right triangle, and that's a lot of unknowns. But when in doubt, chord it out, because I see this right angle right there, then I can let B be the origin and assign A and C to be those coordinates right there. And then point P can just be x comma y, variables to represent the unknowns. And in fact, I can then just span the distance formula 3 times. So as an example, AP squared is going to be x squared plus y minus 3 squared. And I can do likewise for BP squared and CP squared. And after doing all that out, I seem to notice some common stuff, like the x squared terms and the y squared terms right there. Hold on, but when you're computing this thing right there, these x squared terms and the y squared terms cancel. And then we get x minus 4 squared plus y minus 3 squared. Hey, that looks very familiar. It's the square of the distance from point P to 4, 3. I'm going to go label 4, 3 in this grid. Right about there. But point P has to be in or on the right triangle. And so we need to find the minimum possible value. I know. If we draw a perpendicular line right to about there, if it's any shorter, then it will just miss the right triangle. So I think we found out where point P is. So all I just need to calculate the square of this length and we're done. And we can do some more coordinate geometry stuff, but now I'm going to think a lot more actual geometry. So drawing some more lines right there, I can see that this length h, I'll call it, it's actually the altitude to the side of length 5 of a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. And since the area of the triangle stays the same, I can do an algebra expression now. So 3 times 4 over 2 equals 5 times h over 2. I can quickly solve it to get h equals 12 over 5. And this means that h squared is 144 over 25, which is the minimum possible value of this expression right there.
Hi, everybody. This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.